It's our birthday.
She used to flex like I wasn't good enough. Now they see her Benz pulling up. She heard the boy Luxx in the bill going up. Now she think my look familiar. You know I stay silent from the get-go. One thing about me, I'ma get though. And if we ride strike till the bendo, I charge you for the night till the bendo. My brother just took off in a benzo. White like
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chidera, aka Vibes with Adoibo, and we're here with another travel vlog. And today we just landed in Costa Rica and we're going to a city called Tamarindo. And this is my friend Ivy. Remember her from Texas? Yeah. And we're gonna be here for about 4 nights. We're gonna be celebrating our 21st birthday. Yeah, we have the same birthday, by the way, so super excited, and I will keep you guys updated. Lastly, make sure that you're subscribed, because if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? But I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So we made it to Boho Tamarindo. That is the name of our hotel, resort, whatever. I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. This is more of our hotel, Airbnb. That's like the little dining area, and then this is the pool. As you can see, it's really nice. So we are at dinner. We are at this Mexican restaurant called Papaya Taco in Tamarindo, Costa Rica. I'm getting chicken tacos and she's getting big tacos. I have a mojito, tamarindo soncito. Just a close-up of our food. I would rate my chicken taco an 8.5 out of 10. It was super filling and I could only finish one taco. Good morning. It is now day 2 in Tamarindo, Costa Rica, and today I want to give you guys a tour of the room. I didn't do that yesterday, but after that we're gonna go get breakfast, and then we're gonna go to the city center to find some excursions that we can do. Hopefully we get to do the sunset cruise today, but I will keep you guys in the loop. So this is our room. The bed was super comfy. The room was actually pretty nice overall. The only complaint I have is that there was no microwave. But this is the little closet area. There was a safe, mini fridge, and something I really liked were these decorations on the wall. Very aesthetically pleasing, and yeah. We're gonna go to the bathroom. So the bathroom was super spacious. It was just very different. I also failed to mention that this is actually a boutique hotel, but it gave me more like Airbnb with a little bit of hotel vibes. So yeah. So we're here for breakfast. We have I forgotten what she called it, but huevos and something. Huevos egg, by the way. But we have some fruit, tea. She's digging in already. So we left the house just to take a little walk, and we are by the beach right now. I'm gonna show you guys. We're definitely coming back here to actually, get in the water, but who's getting in the water? So after our little walk on the beach, we came across this part of town that had like the Tamarindo sign, and I just wanted to see what was around us, and it was just stores, mostly souvenir shops, and yeah. All right guys, so we are going on a boat tour today. We just finished paying and we're just waiting for them to let us know when to get ready. We're gonna do some outfit checks. So this is Ivy. Okay, so bathing suit from Shein, pants from Boho, shoes from Shein. Outfit check, I guess. Bathing suit is from Shein. I'll show you guys everything later. And this is the name of the boat that we went on for the sunset cruise. It is called Timaruba. Guys, this cruise was actually really fun. I mean, we got unlimited drinks, they served us food. The food was alright, but I also didn't get to record these parts because I was kind of lit. But lots of good music and we were just vibing the entire time. We're almost getting to the other side. So at this point, we're on a smaller boat that would take us right back to the shore. Hi guys, welcome back. So we go back from the cruise and right now we're about to go get some food. Just want to show you guys my fit. This dress is from Shein. Has a little cut on the sides, and the slippers are from Forever 21. Yeah, that's about it. We just wanted to show you guys that we were twinning, because you know, birthday twins. Bye. We are not getting younger, so tonight let us try it on. Down my feet, I surrender to be. Hi guys, we just got back from dinner. We ended up eating at like the food truck. There's this food trucks in Boho Tamarindo, and it's like close to the city center, but it was really good. Honestly, the best food that we've had here since we came. Our birthday is in like 10 minutes. It doesn't feel like it at all, but you know, just excited to be 21. Thankful to God for life. And tomorrow I will keep you guys updated on what we do. Hello guys, good morning. It is day 3 in Tamarindo, Costa Rica, and today is our birthday. Happy birthday to us. We are headed to horseback riding and waterfall. But first, let's get into these fits. So this is my bikini from Shein. I love this so much. Shorts from Express, and I feel like I wear my Birkenstocks everywhere. Anyways,
I'm too black, me no like bleach. Phone no stop ring when I not reach. Even your girl want try. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. So Meka come check you, my baby. No time, no. My dog is on probation. Another 5 years. Bring girls to his location.
so we made it. We'll see the waterfall soon. It's so beautiful. So this waterfall is located in a town called Bagaces, which is almost 2 hours away from Tamarindo. Fun fact, catarata means waterfall in English. As you can see, most people just, you know, relax in the water, swim, but that could not be me because first of all, I don't even know how to swim. Once again, more brave people jumping in the water could not be me. This is actually another part of the waterfall. 3, 2, 1! I'm so scared to even go close, guys, but this is the waterfall up close. Let me try to show you guys where the water is coming from. Right here. And here's another angle of the waterfall, but after this we went back to Tamarindo, had lunch at the Caribbean food truck again because the food is so good, and of course birthday shots. And here's my birthday dress, of course, given everything that it is supposed to give. Everything from the dress to the shoes and the bag is from Shein. So we are here for our birthday dinner. Panga's restaurant. I'll show you guys like more of the view. This is Panga's. Looks really nice interior. And I'm so excited to celebrate my birthday. So for our appetizer, we had plantain chips and fish ceviches and also some wings. For our main dishes here, I got some salmon, asparagus, and white rice. She got some lobster.
360.
Yeah, it looks really good.
They're turning 2.
You have to try this food truck here because the food is so good. This is like, you know, a little place where people come to chill. There's like games and stuff in the middle. But I don't like to eat here because mosquitoes. You see my feet, like, dangerous. Quick stop by the beach because the sunset here is literally to die for. So you guys see it. Like, come on now. So beautiful.
The sweat. Oh, I actually love the sweat. Give me the sweat. Give me the sweat. Come on.
It's our last day. We're just going to eat breakfast by the beach. Our taxi's coming to get us at 11. I didn't really vlog a lot yesterday, but yesterday was a very chill day. We just relaxed, slept, went to get food by the food truck, which is what I showed, and we got in the pool. I didn't really vlog that, but yeah. We are at Noe Bistro for our last breakfast. Ivy got some banana pancakes, blueberry banana smoothie, and fried egg. My order got messed up, so I'll show you guys when it's here. Finally, this is mine. I got an omelet, bacon, potatoes, and you know, whatever. Bye. These are what the streets look like. I think I tried to record it at night the other time, but Yup, this is it. I really wish we got to do horseback riding, but I is scared of horses. That's why we didn't do it.
Blame it on me. This is the galo.
Oh my god! Trying to shop for some souvenirs. I love to collect magnets for my fridge everywhere I go. These are nice.
No se permite fumar o usar cigarrillos electrónicos o de vapor en los vuelos de JetBlue.
It's fake hills.
One time.
Stand.